to another video. So today we're going to be talking about the Invidia N1 exhaust that I put on my BRZ. We're going to be talking about how it is when you're city driving, highway driving. We're going to be rating it over the looks and the fitment, the sound, and also the price at the end. Right now you guys are going to hear the warm start. What you heard before this was the cold start. Right now in Canada it's a heat warning, so yeah, 35 degrees feels like 44. So let's talk about the looks of the exhaust. As you guys can see, it's angled. I'm not sure if I like that or not. Honestly, I don't like it. My OCD would want it to be right in the middle, but I didn't know before I got this exhaust that's how it fits. So as you guys can see underneath the car, the exhaust looks pretty good. The two mufflers fill out the space very nicely. You can see the Invidia logo right in the middle, and overall it was an easy install. Alright guys, let's get on with the driving. First few things I gotta do in the car is turn this thing off, the traction mode on, or the track mode, and let's go. This street is about to get packed right now because I live right in front of a school, and the school is about to be off, so everyone's gonna come pick up their kids. It's gonna get packed and we gotta leave before that happens. Which way should we go? As you guys can hear, it's not like the loudest exhaust, but the sound is still there. Yep, he's about to run. Oh damn, bro. Lady ran the light. That's Brampton driving. Bro, it's hot. Right now the outside temperature in the car, it's showing as 37 degrees. Feels like 44. It's like a sauna out here. Supra in the cop police station parking lot. We'll drive with the windows down until the highway. Get some clips on the highway with the windows down, and then we'll see with the windows up how it sounds. If you guys watched the last video, I did turn off the fake engine sound. So inside the cabin, we should be able to hear more of the exhaust sound. But yeah, for city driving, it's an okay exhaust. In the low RPMs, the sound is pretty deep, but right now it just sounds like pretty much stock, you know. So hopefully the wind sound is not too much. Miata cruising in 5th gear. Pretty quiet. The drone is not that bad either. Idling, you can't really hear the exhaust. If there are any companies out there that want to sponsor the build, I just have a 2024 BRZ TS. If you guys want to send me some parts, I would love it, because everything is so expensive for this car, man. Holy shit. Let me know down in the comments if you guys recommend the exhaust for this car. Like, I like this. It's pretty good for like a first exhaust, but I do want something louder. I don't know, you guys tell me. Should I get a louder exhaust? Because this exhaust, so far, no attention from the police. Fourth gear drone. I actually don't mind the drone. Like, for me, that's when you really hear the exhaust as well. Let's get on the highway. Downshift third, and there is traffic on the highway. Oh shit, what happened here? Damn, bro. Car in a ditch. Hopefully everyone's okay. C63. I like the orange wrap. Cruising on the highway. Like, you can hear there's an exhaust, but it's not like super loud or anything, you know? I don't even think you guys can hear the exhaust. It's mostly the wind noise. But that's how it is with the windows down. Let's put up the windows, put the AC on, because I'm dying in this heat. Dying. Oh man, AC feels nice. And this is what it sounds like with the windows up. I'll try downshifting to fourth over here when we go up the ramp a little bit. That's what it sounds like, guys. Not the loudest exhaust. I've probably said that like 1,000 times. It really depends on what you want. I just wanted a exhaust, so I got this, and now I want something louder. So as I said, if there's any companies that want to sponsor my BRZ build, I would love if you guys reach out to me through my Instagram. But yeah, overall I do like the exhaust. It feels pretty good, much better than having no exhaust. At least, you know, when you start it up and when you're going 5 over, it's still pretty good. Sometimes you go 10 over, still sounds nice. See if we can get some downshifts over here. I don't know if the exhaust sound, you guys can hear it on camera, but hopefully you can. Alright, so that brings us to the price. How much was the exhaust? And is it worth it? So if you go to buy it retail, it'll probably cost you around $1,200 plus tax, which will probably come up to like maybe 1,500 Canadian. So that's a lot of money for exhaust, but it is a catback exhaust, so you know, it kind of makes sense. But I got it half price because I bought it used and I got it for $725, so saved a little bit there. And then I spent, I think, like $30 on the gaskets. I got the vibrant high flow or high temperature gaskets. But yeah, so overall, all in all, I'm in for maybe like $750 around there for the exhaust. And you know, buying an exhaust new is pretty cool because you get the latest stuff. But if you just want the sound, it's better to just buy a used one. You're never gonna see it underneath the car unless you put the car on the lift, but how often are you gonna do that? So yeah, buying a used exhaust is definitely a thumbs up to that. Save a little bit of money, basically got 50% off. Still sounds good, and it's gonna get dirty regardless if you buy it new or used. So there you have it. Let me know down in the comments how you guys like the sound of the exhaust. It was like a short review, you know, just to see how it is, and hopefully I'll get some companies reaching out to me. I need suspension companies, I need exhaust companies, I need wheel companies. If anyone's watching, shoot me a DM. I would love to work with a lot of you guys, a lot of big brands, you know, so anyone that can help out the BRZ build would be much appreciated. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.